Hi there, we're Renderwave, a collective of professional comic book colorists, concept artists and digital painters, and we would like to welcome you to the campaign for Renderwave's Colorpedia, the largest and most in-depth book on digital painting and comic book coloring in the world. We wanted to create this book because it's the type of resource we wish we had throughout our careers, but couldn't find because, well, it didn't exist. So we decided to come together and make it ourselves. And it's only available here in this campaign. This beautiful how-to book is jam-packed with lessons and examples from some of the most successful digital artists in their field, who have worked with prestigious companies such as these, just to name a few. Whether you're just starting out on your art quest or you're already at Master Ninja level, inside this book, you'll find countless gems of insight from high-level artists, and as well, detailed explanations of their own process and workflow, along with an enormous amount of techniques, knowledge, and inspiration. Just some of the things you'll learn in this book are color theory, color harmony, advanced palette creation, how to pull colors from your favorite movies and books, color composition, adjustment layers, clipping masks, coloring comic book pages and covers, working with textures, adding color to grayscale, gradient maps, custom brushes, modes and tricks, making your digital art look traditional, ambient occlusion, lighting setups, dynamic lighting, cell shading, and much, much more. In addition, the Colorpedia features a huge library of quick visual tutorials on how to paint a wide variety of subjects. For instance, how to paint faces in various lighting conditions, how to paint hair, how to paint lips, how to paint glossy lips, how to paint shiny metal, this person, sunsets, bubbles, water, fire gauntlets, eyes, and many more. Because this book is created by the contributions of many different professional artists, you'll get a wide range of information that covers all kinds of different styles and aesthetics. If you're looking for a wealth of knowledge about working with digital color in your art, there really is no better single resource in the known universe. And it's only available in this campaign, but the book is just the beginning. Every backer will also receive a digital archive full of tools, custom brushes, tons of line art, and the files for a complete and lettered 40-page comic in black and white, so you can gain the experience of coloring an entire book from front to back. This project is an enormous labor of love for everyone involved, packed with as much gorgeous art, information, and value as we possibly could fit into it. No matter what level you're at, Renderwave's Colorpedia is an invaluable resource for you or someone you know who wants to get better at art. Thanks for checking out the project, and we want to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for helping us make this book a reality.